going on, guys? Welcome back to another Before the Storm channel. Today we are installing my wheels. It's a very special day because I've been working hard to make this happen. But we need to unbox some of these before we get into the tire install because I need to make this video hella long. Has some peanut packing. Oh shit, I made a pretty big mess, but you guys guessed it. Some locks that were $34 from HARDmotion. Here are the keys right here and the packaging that I opened purposely. So let's get into the next package. Okay, next package, and of course we had to get them hub-centric rings because I don't want my studs breaking off on me. Shout out to my TSX homie for letting me know about that. I'll put his ad right here, y'all go check him out. His build is fire. I got these on my studs when they break off. Let's get into the next item. Oh, as you can see, our next package is a Mishimoto labeled package. Comment down below what you think it is. You guys guessed it right or wrong, I don't know. Some lug nuts, because how the hell am I gonna secure the bag with just locks that are just laying down there? I got these lug nuts right here. They look really cool. I like the black. Let's go simple with the build, you know, match with the colors. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having such a great day. Today, we're gonna change out these wheels to my sexy TE Ching Chong 37s right here. First off, I wanted to tell you guys that I did get a T-bar because I am not strong enough to break that with just a ratchet. Even though I've been hitting the gym a little bit, but it'd be like that sometimes. For those of you that do not know, I'm running a 18 by 8.5 plus 35. Oh shit! These tires are a 225/40/18, really beefy. I'm pretty surprised about that. And these tires are 225/40 as well, but this is a 17 size wheel. I will use this jack from a Cadillac, I think. I do not have the low jack right now because Briar's pretty busy and I'm really eager to get these wheels on, so I will work with what I got. That's not good. All right, guys, you ready to see the new wheel on? Check it out. I'm not really sure how to put this on. I guess it goes inwards like this. All right, there we go. Woo, I'm so excited right now. I've been waiting like so long to get this on. Oh my god, this looks so good. Got a little bit of room left to lower the front, but I'm not gonna lower it because it already bangs on the upper control arm, so I don't want to make it worse. But yeah guys, here it is. Got the hub centric rings on and then the new lug nuts. Looks really good. Let's get started on the other sides. Oh my god, are you serious?
Let's go have some fun.
Just a little update on the wheels. It's now officially on. I did not tighten the lugs yet because I don't know if I need to throw my stocks back on. Look at this fitment right here. This is really crazy. Let me focus it right here for you. Check this out. Can't even fit anything underneath there. I definitely need to get these rolled. This video will be a 3-part, but I have to raise this. But here's the front fitment. I'm not sure if I'll have full lock at all. Man, it sits really good. Not gonna lie, it sits real good. Just sucks that I have to raise it maybe. Fingers crossed I'll have to raise it, but we're gonna test to see if I have full lock or not. So I'm gonna put you guys up on the tripod real quick and we will see if we will be able to turn or not. So this is not full lock right here, but we are pretty close. Let's check the other fender real quick. Holy shit, we have enough clearance, guys. Hold on. Gonna full lock it fully now. Wait, I think it is full lock. Nope. Okay, now it's full lock. Oh, just barely enough room right here. Definitely will rub right there. Check it out right here. I got clearance right here. Of course, when you turn your wheel, your car sits a little bit higher. So that is one thing that I'm happy about. I did not have to raise the front. Well, I might have to raise it a little bit. I don't know how it's gonna do on driveways, but we'll see. So far, this is really good right here. And this rear fitment right here, definitely gonna have to get these rolled.
Yeah, Pink Omega. Yeah, Pink Omega. One bad shot in a kitchen full of dough. 3 bad with it hands on the stove.
Wanna act funny, try to be a man when your nose all runny. Go to pre-K, put your bag in your cubby.
Guys, if you made it toward the end of the video, I appreciate you so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Because of you guys showing all this love recently, I've just been more motivated to make videos. Before I used to make like 8 views and maybe a week, and now I get like 100 views in about a couple hours or so. So that's a pretty big accomplishment for me. I've been doing YouTube for a while now. I'm glad to see that I have wheels on this thing. I remember when I started the channel, bone stock. Oh, I had no experience at all with cars, no friends. Because of this thing right here, I've met a lot of awesome people. Shout out to my 240 boys group chat, even though I don't drive one, but they always show me love. And shout out to all the cool people I meet at car meets, you know. But that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.